A common sight on the streets of Delhi, a battered, much abused autos. They could be set for a complete transformation. One that's both for the auto and the auto driver. Nyayabhoomi is a not-for-profit startup which works with auto drivers, converting their auto into mobile billboards. A model which was conceptualized 3 years ago with just 3 lakhs of co-founder Rakesh Agarwal's own money.
The auto rickshaw drivers are just like any other citizen of this country who have high aspirations but no career path. They are in fact facing a dead end so far as their career is concerned. So if we can give them hope, show them the way forward, they will take it, they will grab it and run with it.
Rakesh launched his auto advertisement model in September 2009, a model which had its fair share of challenges to contend with.
Design of the auto rickshaw was the biggest challenge to start with. Simply putting on a flex material on the back of auto rickshaws was not really something that would have attracted brands to advertise on auto rickshaws. So we needed to construct something new, and it took us almost 2 years to reach where we are today in terms of design. We've got this beautiful backlit auto rickshaw, which is the material is fire retardant, thermally insulated, it's convenient, comfortable for the passengers. It's got a whole lot of features which makes it an attractive proposition for the auto rickshaw driver as well as the passenger, and of course that eventually benefits the brand.
The organization charges Rs 5,050 per advertisement per month, and after deducting the administration cost and capital expense, the remaining is given back to the auto rickshaw drivers. A unique advertising model which initially didn't find any takers.
Essentially talking to the advertisers, it was first, the first goal was actually to convince them that this can actually work, and irrespective of their past experiences, as in the case with their first client, which was Tata Indicom, they had actually had a really bad experience with the similar agencies who tried to do something like that with cycle rickshaws, and didn't work out that well. The company suddenly one day disappeared. So it took a lot of convincing from our side to basically make sure that they would sign on the first batch of auto rickshaws and they would be on the road, as you can see now.
And these are some of the benefits from the advertising: life and health insurance, pension plan which has been given by the UTI Bank, training and education for the drivers, vehicle maintenance and family welfare programs. Subsequently, the model has worked well for Nyayabhoomi, with advertisers like Chabra 555 finding in it an inexpensive way to reach out to its target audience. Nyayabhoomi is the first such non-profit to work for the auto driver community, one that's seen a fair degree of success in a short period of time.